Welcome to my review of MyMicroInvest, a platform that allows users to invest in real estate with a focus on crowdfunding and accessibility. When you first land on the website, you're greeted with a clean and user-friendly design, making it easy to navigate. The homepage features clear options to browse projects, sign up, or learn more about the platform's features. You'll notice a section dedicated to current investment opportunities. These opportunities range from residential to commercial real estate projects, all of which are available to investors of various experience levels. What sets MyMicroInvest apart is the relatively low minimum investment threshold, allowing you to start with just €100. This makes real estate investing accessible to a broader range of people who may not have large amounts of capital. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Do this after watching the video. Now let's take a closer look at the investment process. Once you create an account, you can browse different investment opportunities based on your preferences, like location or type of property. Each project is clearly outlined with details like expected return rates, project timelines, and a breakdown of the investment strategy. There's also a risk assessment provided for each project, which is an essential factor to consider when making any investment. One of the standout features of MyMicroInvest is its transparency. All relevant project information is readily available and easy to digest, making it easier for users to make informed decisions. Additionally, MyMicroInvest offers a secondary market where investors can trade their shares before the project is completed, adding more flexibility to your investment. However, as with any investment platform, it's important to understand the risks involved. MyMicroInvest has a solid reputation, but real estate investments can still be unpredictable. Therefore, it's always recommended to thoroughly research each project before committing your funds. In conclusion, MyMicroInvest offers a great way to get into real estate investing without needing large amounts of capital. The platform is easy to use, transparent, and provides access to a variety of projects. If you're interested in real estate investment and want to start with a smaller budget, MyMicroInvest might be a good option for you. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more reviews and guides on investment platforms.